Hi guys, I hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial I will show you how to move multiple files using command line on Mac operating system. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your terminal. I already opened it. Okay, I am at the moment on the desktop. So let's create some file on the desktop by using touch. Test1.txt, test and 2.txt and test3.txt. So I created these three files at the same time, okay, and I want to move these three files into this folder using command line, using terminal. Are you ready? So let's do it. It's very easy by using move, okay, and the name of the file which you want to move, test1.txt, test2.txt and test3.txt. okay, move this file where into this folder, the name of the folder. Okay, just enter. As you can see, the file has been moved into this folder. If you want to check if you have this file into this folder, change the path by using cd test. I'm now inside this folder and list the content of this folder. As you can see, I have these files into this folder. If you want to check like that, you can open it. As you can see, and that's how you can move multiple files into a folder using a terminal. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.